Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening to Anne. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so you're very early today. So let me pull out our lesson. So we are on Unit 24D, FFM. So let me look at it, okay? Hold on a minute. FFM movers. So we are done with Unit 24D. How are you today, Anne?
Rồi.
Hello teacher. Thư.
Okay, to on. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good evening, baby. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Leah. Nice to see you today. So we're going to have Unit 25. Let me share my screen, little girl. You seem so happy today. Are you happy? Happy?
Yes.
Why are you so happy today?
I don't know.
Okay. Can you read? What is the title of our lesson tonight?
Which one is different?
Okay, when we say different, which one is not belong? Okay?
Okay.
Does not belong to the group. Let's find out which one is different.
Việt Nam nó chắc là cô một.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, which one is different? Okay, look at the questions. Write words for the pictures. Draw another picture and complete the sentence. Okay, I think you're going to connect it. Okay, so this is the example. So can you connect the word to the picture itself? Very easy. You can do it, Anne, right? You can annotate, right?
Yes.
Okay, go, go, go. Okay, let's try to read it, baby. Armchair, armchair. Plane, plane. Can you read it, Anne?
Plane.
Plane. Fan, fan.
Fan.
Towel, towel.
Towel.
Kite, kite.
Kite.
Beard, beard.
Beard.
Sofa, sofa.
Sofa.
Yes. Okay, this time, baby, you're going to fill in the blanks. A plane, a blank, and a blank can fly. Look at the picture, baby. What are the things or the picture can fly aside from a plane? A kite. So what else? Is a towel can fly? Electric fan? A fan? What do you think? What do you think, baby? A bird can fly? What do you think is another can fly?
Bird.
What is a bird? Is there a bird there? Yes. How about three men have got? A beard? Yes. Very good. The blank, and the blank are orange. Fan. And what else are orange? What else is orange? What else, Anne? Kite? What do you think? A towel, the fan, and An orange. Our orange. Okay, you can find a blank. You can find a blank and a blank in the living room. Okay, answer that, baby. Oh. What happened, baby? Okay, Anne. Okay, let's try it. A kite and a bird. Oh, wow, very good. You're correct. Okay, beard, towel, and fan. Oh, I told you it's beard, towel, and what is the orange? T-shirt. The last one you are the one that will write, or you are the one that will answer on your own. Okay. Okay, number 4, baby. Well, what are the things that we can see in the living room?
Okay.
Okay, that's correct. Armchair, sofa, and TV. Okay, so let's try to read them all. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
When
kite.
eyes, bird, beers, showers,
No, baby, the sentence. A plane, a kite, and a bird can fly.
a plane, a kite, and a bird can fly. The 3 men have got beers. The shower, the fan, and the Jesus are orange. You can find an armchair, a sofa, and a TV in a living room.
Yay! Very good. Okay, let's have the vocabulary words. So armchair, armchair.
Armchair.
So where do we use the armchair, Anne?
In the room.
Or to sit? Fan, fan.
And
Okay. How do we use the fan? You just turn it on and then it turn on the fan and then you feel you will feel cold, right? What's this?
sofa.
Sofa. And this one? Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
So where do we use the toothbrush? And
I brush my teeth.
yes. Okay, say which picture is different and why. Okay, so Anne, can you encircle it? Encircle first the different and then we're going to analyze it later.
Wait. One.
So cute, the number 3.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Number 1. What did you choose in number 1?
Because he was not weather.
Yes, it's not the weather. Very good. Next. Number 2, what did you choose?
Because the bird is on the table, not
Very
under
good.
the table.
Yes. Next, number 4.
Because the boy is crying, not happy.
Yes. Number 4.
Because the baby is playing with toy, not animals.
Yes. And number 5.
The pencil is can reading.
Yeah, we cannot read the pencil. It's for writing. Very good. Good job. Hippo on the table. Cry. Play with ball. Write a pencil. Okay, ready? Okay. You're going to read the story and choose a word from the box. Right, the correct word next to the numbers 1 to 6. What pet have you got? What does your pet eat? Okay.
Daisy love.
Okay, Daisy.
Daisy love animal lots of her friends. Hate pets and Daisy wanted wanted one to one day she read a story a in a comic.
Okay, write it, baby. I know. Say okay. Don't write it. I will be the one. Comic about a boy. Okay, continue. One day.
One day she read a story in a comic
About a boy.
about a boy who had a horse. Daisy had idea. Mom, she said.
Ay.
Comic about a boy who had a horse. Daisy had an idea. Mom, she said, I want to learn to I want to learn to
I want to learn to.
ride a horse.
Okay. Okay.
Ride a horse.
Okay.
Can we have a horse? Sorry, Daisy, her mother answered. We can't have a horse. We haven't got a field. What about a kitten? Then Daisy answered. My friend Sally has got a cat. No, Daisy, her mom said. We live in a flat. Cats lie behind in gardens. Daisy went and sat on the balcony. She was happy, but then she said a really sweet 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 love.
Sweet. What do you think?
Love.
Gray.
Lizard on the ground between the two pretty green plants.
There.
Hello, she said. Do you want to be my new pet. The lizard looked at Daisy and moved its head up and down.
Wow.
Who is saying yes? Laugh, Daisy is different from all my friends' pet, but that's okay.
Okay, very good. Okay. Next, baby. Now, choose the name, the best name for the story. Tick one on the box. Okay, can you tick it?
Um, yeah.
Yes, that Daisy finds a pet. Very good. Next, which one is different and which one is different? Horse, cat, or lizard?
Yes. Mm,
What do you think is the different? What is the different, baby? A horse, a cat, or a lizard?
um,
It's the
um,
it's the lizard, right?
so yes,
Why do you think it's the lizard?
because it's more than horse and cat.
And it cannot run, jump, or he cannot the lizard can't run fast, right?
I think
Okay, what do you think is the most what is the best pet for you, Anne?
um,
What's the best pet for you?
is
What?
the dog
Why dog?
because it's so smart.
Yes, and loving, right? Okay, all about pets. Okay, my kitten. What it eats and drinks? What do you think? The cat can eat and drinks.
Um, Cats can eat fish and drink milk.
Okay. Milk. It can drink milk. And how many hours a day it sleeps? The cat. Any idea? I don't know. Oh my God, why is it the best temperature and the different? What can you say about? Can you give a name of a toy of a an animal, you said it's a dog. So can you tell me what's the best name for a dog?
The best name
Best name is what?
is Leila.
Okay. Okay, choose the words for the horse and cat. Daisy's lizard was really sweet and the plants were pretty and green. Now choose words for the boy's horse and Sally's cat. Daisy read a story about a boy who had a blank, nice or beautiful or ugly.
A nice,
Nice.
long, brown horse.
Ah, yes. Daisy's friend Sally has got
A beautiful, small, white cat.
yes, very good. Okay. Why is it I cannot hear? I cannot see it. Okay. Beautiful
Beautiful,
or pretty like Tuan. Pretty and beautiful are the same, baby.
pretty,
Big,
big,
small,
small,
ugly.
ugly,
So pretty and beautiful are the same. Big and small are opposite. Pretty and ugly are opposite. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Can you read it, baby?
Black, brown, gray, orange, white.
So these are what?
These are color.
Colors. Yes. We often put words for color in front of the things we are talking about, like red balloon or red hair, brown hair, blue eyes. So color first, then the thing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you read it, baby? We put words.
We put words like the and other line long short near the word. They describe it in front of words for colors.
Yes. Example.
Example, long brown hair, big blue eyes.
Yes. Nice.
Nice, beautiful, ugly. These words give our opinions about a person or a thing.
Yes.
We put them further away from the thing or person we are talking about. For example, beautiful, big blue eyes.
Okay. Choose words for the horse and the cat. Daisy's lizard was really sweet and the plants were pretty and green. Now choose words for the boy's horse and Sally's cat. Okay. Daisy read a story about a boy who had a
Nice,
strong or clever or naughty.
clever,
Okay.
clever,
And what's the color?
black horse.
Yes. Daisy's friend Sally has got a
Small.
What's the color?
White cat.
Okay, now choose words. Choose another animal you know. For example, a dog. So you will say, you will describe your dog. Is it nice, beautiful, ugly? Is it big, small, strong, clever, naughty? Is it black, brown, gray, orange, white? Dog. Okay, go to Anne.
The dog is nice, strong, white,
Dog. Okay. Okay, let's try it, baby. I want you to, you are going to have a homework. Complete the sentences, and then I will put this in the Zalo, okay?
okay.
Oh, we're done. We started early today.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Yes. So, baby, see you again next week, okay? I will put your homework in Zalo, okay? So, what are you going to do today after the class? You're going to sleep?
Yes.
Okay. Is that your brother, baby, or father?
Father.
Uh, Tanan, tanan. So, do you go to school now, baby? Are you allowed to go outside the house?
Tuesday, I go to school.
Ah, okay. On Tuesday, you will start going to school. Okay. Are you excited? How many months or days you were not able to go outside?
9 days.
Are you allowed to go outside, baby?
Yes.
Ah, that's good. Because we are early today. That's why. PK 111. Okay, did you receive it, baby? I put it in your Zalo, in our Zalo.
Okay.
Ah, Okay, baby. See you again on Thursday, okay?
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye, baby.